Good evening.
Hello, Shailesh. Good evening. So, how things going on?
Yeah, pretty well and following. So yesterday I went to that file that you sent on the sting operations.
Mm-hmm.
Few of them I have some queries. Maybe yeah. Once Saurabh joins the,
Yes.
we
Yeah.
can.
Yeah. We will wait for 2-3 minutes.
Sure.
Let him join.
Yeah. So Anurag, what is like the so Python is currently the leader in terms of when we say a very popular language for in terms of analytics. So is
Yes.
Python is the one currently leading? Okay.
Yes. Python is the leader in right now. This whatever is uh,
Okay.
yeah, and gradually right now in past few 1 or 2 years, it reached to level of Java and JavaScript. Now it is progressing towards upwards side. So in coming days you will find that it is the only language which is more in use.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you are saying is now it has increased its capabilities to cover the scripting function. That means the UI. Uh, I mean, okay, similar to JavaScript. That's what you're saying.
Yes. Now there are few things like those softwares which are already in existence.
Right.
They remain continue with support on JavaScript, and they need people
Right.
for JavaScript. But whatever new development is
Oh, okay.
going on,
Okay. I see.
they are directly adopting the new technology and
I see.
new stuff
Hmm.
for this purpose.
Okay. Got it. Cool. So while he's joining, right? So in real world, right?
Hmm.
So how does it actually a customer or somebody approach us or in live world? how actually the things happen? Maybe just high level, if you could give an overview.
Like very first is like they will come up with problem statement that what
Okay.
they are facing.
Okay.
uh, in few of the scenarios, like when Prasad and I visit to other business people and other things, so at that time what happened is like they were we told them that we can help you with the help of with the data science
Hmm.
to smoothen your business and to increase this one.
Hmm.
So uh, they actually they don't have any idea that with like anything else can also be done with the help of data science in that.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
They are not that much familiar with data science and
Right.
its applications. So one is that particular thing, and second is like few people who are well aware of market and new
Hmm.
technologies, and they directly ask for solutions. Like I need predictions, like for next 5 years, what will be the how the
I
business will
see. I
move.
see. Okay.
Then
Okay.
few
Got
of
it.
them they want to work on the module that how to improve things, like if you are able to like customer churn problem.
Okay.
So if you are able to stop 2% or 5% of customers, that
Hmm.
is also a great achievement for that. You are retaining your customers, that is also one of the important things.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So in this way, and it is normally happens in all kind of business. For banking also, they need their customer to be retained. They like mobile services, then internet services, and OTT platforms, and lot many other things.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
In fact, like uh, everywhere they are offering you better and better things, so customer should remain with them.
Right.
They can retain that. And those who has like previously I was using Hathway,
Hmm.
and till it got merged with Reliance,
Hmm.
it till that time service was absolutely fantastic. The
Hmm.
moment it got merged with Reliance, the service got badly down.
Hmm.
And now from past one and a half year I am using Tata Sky.
Hmm.
Its service is excellent, there is no issue. But
Hmm.
yes, they Hathway people keep on following that, please continue with us,
Hmm. 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 Right.
try to come back and this one. तो वो सब चीजें जो हैं वो लाइक उसका होता है, फर्क पड़ता है उससे.
Got it. Got it.
Just a moment.
Sure. Sure.
Hello. Actually, lot many people are getting infected, and so Prasad just called me, and he was telling me that now everyone is okay in his family.
Oh.
All of them got infected,
Oh my God.
all the
Oh.
family members.
Oh my God. Oh, okay.
बहुत,
Good to know that they're good. I think now the new virus, I mean, whatever the new wave, I think it is not impacting that much. I think
exactly.
that is
In
mostly,
3 to 4 days, everyone is
yeah, correct. Maybe thanks to the vaccination also, maybe most
yes,
of the
yes, that
people
is
have done that.
great
Yeah.
impact of that.
Yeah.
Like a couple of days back, there was one report
Hmm.
regarding people who were getting infected and those who are those who need oxygen.
Hmm.
Now, 98% of people who were looking for oxygen, they haven't take a single dose.
Oh,
अब
okay,
इसमें
okay.
गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी यार, बताओ ना, गवर्नमेंट का
Yeah,
क्या मतलब, अब क्या तुम
right.
घर घर में जाके इंजेक्शन लगाएं क्या तुमको?
Yeah, that's true.
और उसके लिए भी गवर्नमेंट रेडी है, लोग लगवा नहीं रहे हैं।
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
सो व्हाट टू डू, मतलब इसमें तो कुछ किया ही नहीं जा सकता। तुम इंजेक्शन नहीं लगा रहे हो और बीमार पड़ रहे हो, मर रहे हो, और उसके बाद फिर गवर्नमेंट के नाम पे बिल फट रहा है कि अब इसमें महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी अगर लोग इंजेक्शन नहीं लगवा रहे हैं तो?
Seriously. Right.
पैथेटिक सिचुएशन है एक्चुअली वो।
Yeah.
Okay, so Shailesh do have some doubts. So let us first see those doubts, and then Saurabh sir, you can also share your doubts like with respect to inbuilt functions,
Okay.
and then we will take it ahead. Okay, I will stop sharing. You take
Yeah.
control.
Okay. Sure. Okay. So just as a okay. So what I went through and what I got and what I did not got. Okay. So I will quickly run the one which I am clear of. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Capitalize, understood that the first line of the letter
First
or
letter will
whatever
be
the
capitalized and
first letter
remaining.
will be capitalized,
Yeah.
remaining will be lowercase.
Yes.
This is the case fold is more of a lowercase, all
Yes.
lowercase to compare. Okay. Okay, center that means it will pad, uh, it will adjust your string and pad 25 on, okay, altogether it will have 25 and it will try to pad on both the sides to match your
Exactly.
string.
Yes. So Python programming is 18 character string. So for remaining places, it will pad with asterisk or whatever you want.
Whatever
And
the
if you are not
parameters that you
mentioning,
pass.
it will,
Correct.
yeah, it will leave the blank space. Yes.
Right, correct. Okay. Then count. Okay. So here it is, yeah, okay. So this one, right? So it says that returns the number of non-overlapping occurrences of substring in a string. So, so when you say P, okay, so it has counted as 4, meaning it will try to find this P letter in this entire string and then it
Exactly.
will give, okay,
Exactly.
right, okay.
And
Yeah,
just a minute.
yeah,
Sir, I
So
have a doubt in this.
sure, sure.
I mean,
yes, yes, Saurabh sir.
not exactly doubt, but so this look at this statement: print var string dot count
Hmm.
e comma 0 comma 5. So it
Yes.
means starting with 0th index to the 5th of index,
Yes.
it is trying to find out small p,
Yes.
right? And it we have the numbers, right?
Yes. We have
2,
to.
but it gives you the output -1. I mean, the number of count -1.
2, 3,
Just scroll down.
one, two. Okay, let's see which statement. Now, 1, 2, 3.
Fifth one.
Yeah, fifth one, right? 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it has 2.
But
Okay, Saurabh sir, we will come
uh,
to your screen. Don't worry.
okay.
Okay, I just want to tell you one thing right here is
Yeah.
what we are doing is apart from value as a parameter, we have two more parameters, that is
Right.
start and stop. So it checks in between that. So suppose I say P 5 comma 11, so it will search between 5 and 11,
Okay. Right.
right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
then if you are searching between complete length, or if you are searching, so it will give you the resultant in that.
Right. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Then the next is, yeah, encoding. Yeah, I think this one I'm entirely not clear. Maybe because I think I'm bad at encoding stuff. So this portion I am not clear. I did not
Sir,
understand.
actually, in computer language, we
Right.
normally follow ASCII characters,
Hmm.
American Standard Code of whatever XYZ.
Right. Right.
So, what actually happens is for your normal characters like A, B, C, D, capital or small,
Uh,
it has the value as same. Okay,
right.
but when you go for special character,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
okay, suppose you can see first one is saying R
Yeah.
as register.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, then you
Hmm.
have I with cap
Yes,
and T with something tilde sign in bottom,
yes,
and then you have U with
correct.
tilde sign on top.
Hmm.
Now, this particular stuff, it has some ASCII value, so it
Mhm.
is returning that particular value.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
More of there are lot many functions which are not too much in use, but right now, as it is a beginning, I am just trying to make you comfortable for that, like what other things are there, and gradually what will happen that you will remember only those things which are required one.
Okay, okay, okay.
ठीक है,
Got you.
क्योंकि वो आगे जाके सिलेबस इतना बढ़ जाएगा कि
Yeah,
लिमिटेड चीजें ही वो रहती हैं,
got you.
लाइक इन इन योर scope, and then okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. ठीक है. Okay, ends with, I think, okay, I think this is also clear. Ends with is clear. Hmm. Okay. Now, yeah, this one, right? When we say, but okay, what I understand is, if the string is like this, then only it will, this expand tabs function will work, right?
exactly,
Yeah, otherwise it won't. Okay,
it wonnt, yes,
okay, okay.
yes,
ठीक है.
yes,
तो
yes.
ये clear है. Then return the, okay, lowest index. ये पता है. अच्छा, ये returns the lowest index. Okay, yeah, ये ठीक है.
It works exactly like your index.
हाँ.
ये find जो है वो index जैसा work करता है कि like it will give you to find value in between,
Basically, so it will give you the first occurrence. Where is the exactly the first occurrence, and it will stop
exactly,
there. It will
exactly,
stop there.
yes, yes, yes,
ठीक
yes.
है. Right. ये है. हाँ, ये format है. Yeah, this also understood. ये format is understood. Index, lowest index. Okay, this is also correct. Index. Okay. ठीक है. मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ तक ठीक था. हाँ, okay. अब ये थोड़ा सा, ओके, ये यहाँ पे ना, आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब हम यहाँ पे इन्होंने ये वायर स्ट्रिंग है और यहाँ पे टिल साइन से ज्वाइन किया है, सो व्हाई इट इज रिपीटिंग, आई मीन ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट्स अ फंक्शन, लेकिन ज्वाइन बोला तो देन इट विल रिपीट दिस साइन क्या, दिस टिल
Yeah, it
साइन.
will, wherever it will find, like these are total 4 values in a list.
हाँ, हाँ,
Okay,
या,
so for joining all the 4 values, it is using tilde sign.
ओके, 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 ओके. सो जो भी कैरेक्टर हम देंगे तो इट विल यूज दैट साइन टू ज्वाइन.
Exactly.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Then this is left justified, then right justified, like that. There are a few more functions right there.
एक्चुअली इसमें मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया, मतलब दिस वन इज पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग. ओके,
Hmm.
सो इट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू पुट दैट स्ट्रिंग ऑन द राइट of
Exactly.
this
Yes.
whatever the string we gave.
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes.
what is 18 denotes is the length of, so here exactly is the 18.
If you will increase it, then there will be a long space in between.
Okay.
Make it 28, 28 or 38, something like that. Yeah, it will take some time. Don't worry.
Yeah, correct, correct. Okay,
So, apart from justifying the space, it has also, yeah.
okay.
So like that. Then, like in below one is low, so it will convert it into lowercase.
Yeah, lower is correct. अब ये जो है, it returns a couple of string leading by, हाँ, okay, okay, ये leading, yeah, this is okay. हाँ, ये ये translate का exactly क्या हो रहा है, is replacing k with s. Okay, ये भी ठीक है. Partition, हाँ, ये मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया था, ये partition का separate tuple contain the part. Actually इसका, so we have a text, then we say txt.partition twinkle. तो उसके बाद में उसने twinkle
It has removed that particular as a separate one. Like first appearance of twinkle, it put one twinkle separately and remaining as a complete string, twinkle little star. Then we are partitioning little. So it picked the twinkle twinkle as one string, then it put little as a one string and star as a one string. And in last one, we are removing only star. So twinkle
Oh,
twinkle
okay, okay,
little is
okay.
one string and
Okay, okay, I got it now. Okay, okay. So basically, it has. Oh, okay, it has break. Okay, yeah. Now I think it's clear.
yeah,
Replace is also okay. Or find the highest number. Okay, this is the exactly is doing the from the right side.
yeah. Yeah, click on that three hidden. Yeah, three hidden cell. Just click on it. No, click on
Okay.
yes. So it will show you.
Yeah. Yeah, R find. Yeah. So it's going to find the first index of where it
Exactly.
has found that string.
Yeah.
Okay, from the right. Yeah. Okay, I've just. Okay. Yeah, this is also clear. Now R partition. Okay. So it is the same thing, but
Yeah.
it is happening from the right.
Exactly. There are multiple functions which are
Yeah. Okay.
moreover of same type.
Yeah. Right. Right.
Yes, yes, they are there. So नॉर्मली क्या
Uh,
होता है कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं स्टूडेंट्स को दो तीन बताता हूँ और बाकी छोड़ देता हूँ तो फिर वो मेरे नाम से चिल्लाते हैं कि आपने बाकी तो बताया नहीं. So I have prepared a complete one, so it will be available for everyone. So
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
it will be good for them as well as good for me as well.
No, apart from that, I think now I'm clear. Yeah, I think all my doubts are clear. Yeah, from
Yeah.
the string functions. Yeah.
Saurabh sir, now you can share.
सर हो गया क्लियर. वो एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था, द फंक्शन डॉट फाइंड,
हम्म.
तो उसमें ना जो टेक्स्ट था उसमें गलती से जो रिटर्न -1 एंड 0 वाज देयर, तो वो गलती से डिलीट हो गया. एंड सो समहाउ मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया कि वो 0 to 5 में p फाइंड कर रहा है, बट इट रिटर्न्स द 0 वैल्यू इवन इफ p इज देयर फॉर 1.
नहीं, इट्स ओके सर, वो थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है उसमें, कोई वांदा नहीं. ठीक है. So what we will do is we will move to the next one, that is list. Okay. Now list is as good as what we prepare at home for grocery, for to do, or for anything. Okay. So we have one list for that. So we prepare according to our requirement, and so where underscore lst. So I have few numbers in that. So this is my list. So I will just use print function, and then I will see type of it. Okay. This is always suggested that always try to see type of everything. जो कुछ भी आप काम कर रहे हो ना,
Right. Okay.
just see type of it. So what will happen that you will get more in-depth information about it. Like somewhere you are using list, but it is getting saved in another format. You are printing something, and if you will check the type of that print, then you will find that it is
Correct.
something else. So make a habit like to check type of every whatever
Right.
stuff you are looking for.
Sure. Sure.
So this one is one list. Let us change the element of list. Let me take something else. Suppose I say A B, C, G, E, F, G. So again, this is my another list.
Okay. Can we have a combination of variable types in the list?
Exactly. Yes, we can do that. We will see that as well.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No, I think you need to change the print also.
Then we have a list of floating numbers.
Okay.
We have a list of floating numbers, so 3. Then so we can have variety of stuff with the help of list. Okay, you have a list with all information. So like in a day, whatever work you want to do, so you can make a list of that. So I will say like one is program, one is Python, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have 12.34, 34 point. Then you have some complex number. And you have some Boolean values. So we have combination of lot many things. Okay. Then what you're doing is you're simply printing it where underscore lst and type, that is where underscore lst4. So we got this output. Now what I'm doing is I'm creating a list where underscore lst5, and now inside it I'm taking where underscore lst1, where underscore lst2, then we have where underscore lst3, where underscore lst4. So okay, sorry, I forgot to print where underscore
Okay. List of list.
list of list.
Yeah.
So you can have in both way. You can either directly paste the list inside it, or you can take its variable and you will get the same output.
Right, got it. Clear.
Okay. Now, what else can means like you can think of which you will like to see in the form of list? Anything else you want to see?
I have a question on the list is, so it's dynamic. So does it have any limitations? So for example, right, let's say if I'm going to store something in list, let's say if I got an Excel file and all that string I am going to store it in the list object. So what I understood from here is we are not declaring, like, how you used to create arrays and used to give dimensions like that for list. We are not going to give anything. So that, but does it have any limitations as such from a storage side?
No, there is no limitation for storage, and
Okay.
like we will see that as well, that how it is used and all the things.
Okay.
Now you have raised that topic, so let me tell you one, two, three things which are important.
Okay, sure.
So very first one is, like in case of Python, so Python is called as dynamically typed language. Okay, till now you have seen that we were using variable and we were directly giving value to it.
Correct.
We were not saying that this should be a string, or this should be a
Yes.
number or integer or a float or complex or a boolean or whatever. We were directly assigning the value. So for example, where underscore str, or only I will say where. So first I have assigned it 12, then I have assigned it value that is 12.34, then I have assigned it value that is
That's a string, for example. Oh yeah.
yes, we will, yeah. So where is equal to, then we have false, and then we have where is equal to, that is Python programming.
Yeah.
So okay, now what will happen? What will happen right here is, you can have a single variable, and this variable will hold any kind of value.
Correct.
Okay, so let us say print where, and let us print everything. Okay, so what will happen, that it will keep all the values.
Correct.
Okay, so what is happening right here, your same variable, it is using this using its space for keeping integer, then it is keeping float, then it is keeping complex,
Yes.
then it is keeping your boolean value, sorry, it is keeping boolean value, and then it is keeping, so all these things are happening with one variable. So what Python says, that my whatever variable I'm using right here, it is dynamic. Okay,
Yes.
it is dynamic. It will take shape of whatever value you put inside it.
Got it. Yes.
Okay. Suppose you are putting, let me show you two, three things as well. So where is equal to,
Okay, list.
list. Then we have, suppose we have tuple. And let us have one dictionary. And dictionary. So where is equal to 3, 4, 4, 5. You can extend it up to whatever level you want. So print where. अब, what we are doing right here is we are simply doing this, and my all stuff is whatever values are there, it is displaying successfully.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when I will print, okay, after everything, I print my where. I will print this particular thing, and I want to see what value is inside it. So it is keeping the last value inside it.
Yes.
Okay. अब एक होता है, means there is one term called as garbage collection. Okay, garbage collection means जो अपने घर पे garbage collection होता है वही. So what is happening right here is you kept 12 inside variable. You have kept 12 in this particular variable. It has printed it. Then I inserted a new value. I have inserted a new value. So this 12 went into garbage.
Oh, I see.
Then I have inserted a new value that is complex. So 12.34 went into garbage.
Okay, got it.
Then I have entered a Boolean value false. So 12.34, sorry, 12 plus 34, J went into garbage.
Right, got it.
Then I have inserted Python programming. So this Boolean value false went into garbage. Okay. Now, when we talk about garbage, it means it is totally moving everything from that memory location to garbage. Okay. It is vacating that memory location, as well as this variable will get a new memory location with new value, because like it may happen that false may be taking 2 bytes or 4 bytes or 16 bytes, but Python programming will take suppose 100 bytes. So it needs more space.
Yes.
So there may be reusability of that space and there may not be. Okay. So suppose I say like this, where dot मिनट हाँ मैं कोई फंक्शन yes, so we are getting the memory position as well. So when you will print it, you will find that my number was on location this one, memory position. Then my float was on this particular place. Then my next one, that is complex, it is on this particular position.
Okay.
Then my Boolean value is on this particular position, string is on this position, list is on this position, then tuple is on this position, and okay. So it is like our memory for each and every I will say byte, there is one number for it. So it is displaying that particular thing from which number it is starting, and it may go little bit more in forward direction.
Okay.
But this is how it is. None of them is getting repeated.
Yeah.
You can see, and if you will see for the last one, it will keep only this particular value.
Yeah.
Because this was the last value.
Correct.
ठीक है, तो दो चीजें हैं. First is dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. It means you can declare variable directly by value. There is no need to declare it as a integer or string or float or anything like that.
Yeah.
That is one thing. And then Dynamically means you can use one variable at any number of places with all whatever type of values you want. Got it?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Saurabh sir, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we were talking about two things. One is dynamically type and one is garbage collection. So these are the two things which are like important, as well as वो थोड़ा पता हो तो अच्छा रहता है कि like when it may like someone will ask that what is going to happen in this case. So you have that particular idea that yes, this is happening for garbage and it is moving to garbage and like that. ठीक है. अब गार्बेज कलेक्शन और ये जो सब कुछ है टॉपिक्स दे आर लाइक आई विल से वन कंप्लीट बुक इन इटसेल्फ, बिकॉज it talks about memory relocation, then memory assignment, then
Yeah.
deletion and this and that. वो एक बहुत बड़ा वो है, वो
Yeah,
उस पे पूरी पीएचडी हो सकती है. तो अपने को सिर्फ अभी सिर्फ लाइक उतना ही समझना है जितना जरूरी है.
Yes, yes.
So
Agree.
yeah, so that much. Like in my MSc, we used to have a topic compiler design, and then in compiler we have this particular lesson. One chapter was there for garbage collection and garbage and other things.
Mm-hmm.
How memory locations are getting relocated and other things. Okay, so we were talking about list. Okay, we have seen list of list and other things. Okay, so let us take one list. Okay, let us take one list where underscore list and apple okay, so this is my list. And I'm printing my list. I'm checking type of it.
Yeah.
Okay, now like yesterday we have seen one thing, that is index for our string. Okay, we have seen index for our string. Now same thing is right here. You have so
okay.
first
You
is
can access elements via index. Okay.
yeah.
Got it. Okay.
So now I'm trying to run it. So till 7 it was showing me value, and for 8th value we don't have anything on index position 8, so it is
Out of range.
showing an
Right.
error. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, out of range, right? Correct, sir. So this is my output.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Now whatever things which we have done in case of I will say in case of string, all the operations of indexing, slicing will be remain same. We will see everything, don't worry. We will see that particular thing as well. But my all operations will remain same in case of list and tuple.
Okay. Okay.
And in going forward, I will keep on telling you that where else it will remain,
Yeah.
it will be get repeated. But yes, operation wise, it will be same. So how it is? So very first thing is, if if I say I am going from apple to ice fruit, it means I am going from left to right. So that will be my positive indexing.
Mm.
Agree?
Yes, agree.
Yeah. Now, if I'm going from ice fruit to apple,
Yeah.
that is right to left. So it is a negative indexing,
Yeah.
right? We
Yes.
have to mark it -1,
Mm.
-2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8.
Mm.
And
Right.
in case of positive indexing, this will be 0, this
7.
will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Yes.
Agree?
Yeah.
Saurabh sir, all good?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Now I say print where underscore lst square brackets and colon. So it will take all the default values. So my first default value is my smallest index number. My
0.
second element will be my largest element. Oh, sorry, index number. And my third index number will be 1, because it is deciding, that particular element decides flow of my, like from left to right, uh, how to flow from one place to another. So it is decided by the third element. That is my step value or skip value or jump value, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so two things it is performing. One is it is skipping from one place to another, and it is also giving me. So now I want to I want to keep my first value, so it will be 0. In second case, I am saying length of my list, and in the third case, I am saying only element 1. Let us see the output. So in all the three cases, 3 cases, we are getting complete string.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
we took default values for all the
Right.
three,
Yes.
and then we have displayed the value.
Mm.
Now I want to see elements one by one. Okay. First of all, I want to see apple, then I want to see apple and banana, apple, banana, cherries, then apple, banana, cherries, dates, and so on.
Mhm.
So what I will do for that, so I will keep first value as default one, that is 0.
Mhm.
Then I will keep it 1 and 1, then 0. Now, if you are not giving 0, it will automatically take the value. So there is no need to worry about it. So when you will run this one,
Mhm.
you will find following values. Okay, now let us understand this particular thing. So we are starting from 0 and we are going up to 1. But 1 is not getting printed because n minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will print only apple.
Mm.
In second case, we are starting with apple and we are going up to cherries. But cherries is on index position 2.
Mm.
So 2 minus 1, it is printing apple and banana.
0 to
Clear.
1.
right? Then for third one, it is going from apple to dates, but date is not getting printed because 3 minus 1 is 2, so it is printing this one. Then we have the next one, that is 4. It is going up to egg fruit. So 4 minus 1, I am getting up to dates. And in this way, it is going up to last one.
Yeah.
Now my last index number is 7, and I am taking 8. And it is not giving me any kind of error. So the reason behind it is, in case of slicing, this particular thing is permissible. There is no issue at all. If I make it 18, still it will print the string. There is no issue at all.
So it will ignore.
It will ignore, exactly. It will ignore.
I see.
Okay. So again, if I remove this one, so it will automatically take the same value. So don't worry about it. So this is like how your slicing works in case of. Now, same slicing operation I want to perform with negative indexing. Okay, so
we'll have to start with -1. Yes.
okay. Now tell me how it will be. My ice fruit will be -1.
Yeah, our start will be -1.
My start will be -1.
And then we have to go till 1.
It will go up to
sorry, -2. Sorry, -1.
-2, no? -2.
-2.
-2 plus 1.
-2 plus 1.
Yeah.
So -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and default one. So it will automatically take -9 and it will display all the values.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, so let us take one statement and you both try for positive and negative, and let's see. So Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay, that much is sufficient. So apply both of the things. One is negative indexing and positive indexing both.
Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, done. Maybe I'll share my screen. So this is the positive one,
Yes.
and that's the negative.
Yes. Perfect. Correct. No issues. So conceptually, you are clear with that.
Yeah, that's right. Correct.
Yes. फर्स्ट और सेकंड वेव में जिन जिन को कोविड नहीं हुआ उनको थर्ड वेव में कोविड हो रहा है, ऐसा है वो।
Yeah, correct. You're right.
हमारी बिल्डिंग में फर्स्ट और सेकंड वेव में बहुत ही कम लोग थे,
Mm-hmm.
अब आधी बिल्डिंग जो है वो कोविड वाली हुई है हमारी।
But now I think there is a question, right? क्योंकि सर्दियों के मौसम में I mean everybody will have at least cold and cough, right?
Yes.
That is bare minimum. तो अभी उसका टेस्ट करके वो पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, सो आई डोंट नो कि क्या है इसका। सो डोंट नो।
और अपन क्या है, अपन सेफर साइड उसको टेस्ट करवाते
या
हैं ये सोच के
दैट्स
कि
व्हाट।
इट देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी,
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट, वही हो रहा है।
बट डॉक्टर इज ऑल्सो सेइंग ओनली 3 days ऑफ मेडिसिन, सो वायरल फीवर के लिए भी 3 दिन या 4 दिन ही लेते हैं, इनफैक्ट
राइट।
शायद वायरल फीवर के लिए ज्यादा लेते हैं, तो कोविड के लिए 3 दिन ही ले रहे हैं
या
दवाई।
दैट्स ट्रू।
So don't know whether it is a business or what.
या ट्रू। But one side is they are saying it is good that you had it
Yes.
because now you are immune to that, so it's good thing.
Yes, and it is very clear as well that those who took vaccination,
Mm,
they are just going through that phase only. They are not even
correct,
getting any
correct, correct.
kind of fever or
Yeah,
any kind of एक आध दिन थोड़ा बहुत कुछ सिम्टम्स रहता है, अदरवाइज तो
yeah.
वो नहीं है। Hope for best. सौरभ सर हो गया क्या?
हाँ हाँ
Perfect. No issues. Great. Yes, sir. Good. So let us move to the next one. So we are going to see inbuilt function of list. Okay. And these, whatever inbuilt functions which we are doing, they are going to be very helpful down the line when
Okay.
actual programming will start. At that time, you have to add something, you have to delete something, and not many things will be there. So it will play an important role at that particular
Got it.
time. So print where underscore lst. Then we
So
have
screen.
sorry.
Screen.
Yes, sir.
Issue
Sorry, sir. Yeah, I will do that. Sorry, sir. कम से कम आपने बोला तो सही, नहीं तो कभी कभी क्या होता है, स्टूडेंट आधी क्लास हो जाती है, बोलते ही नहीं है कुछ, इतनी मेरी आफत होती है ना, फिर पूरा सब रिपीट करना पड़ता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. So we will say where underscore lst dot append. Okay. Now the meaning of append is adding in end. Okay, adding in end. So I am adding mangoes. Okay. And then again I am printing my list to see whether it has done or not. So mangoes is in my list.
Yeah. Good.
Next function, where underscore lst dot clear. So clear will clear all the elements from your list.
Okay.
Okay, clear will clear your list. It will give you empty list. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, as we received empty list, I just want to make it clear about all the things. So that is, you can declare an empty list.
Okay.
Okay. You can declare a empty tuple. Okay. Then you can declare empty set empty dictionary कर सकते हैं. So just remember these two things right now. We will see both other things. Why I'm telling you, because at lot many places the requirement will be where you have to create an empty list, and then using append. Okay, using this append you will add lot many things in your list. Okay, and then your list will be get prepared. Okay, your list will get prepared. Like on day one, I told you that my list is mutable. My tuple is immutable.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
although you are creating an empty tuple, it is of no use because you cannot add anything into it.
Yeah, right. Correct.
Correct?
Yeah.
So yes, down the line there will be a number of things will be there, but just for information point of view, that like append function is used a lot, and you will find empty list is also used at lot many places.
Yeah.
It is just like one I will say one placeholder which is keeping your all values at one place. So you are appending everything in one list. It means you are keeping aside all the values, and then you are going to use it in future. So like that. So now my list is empty. So what I will do is I will again declare a list, and then I will say where lst, then my, so copy function. Now copy function, it creates a copy. So I need to declare one variable, and then I can print both of them.
Okay, here it will create an empty list and copy also.
Right now what we have done is, in place of empty list, we have declared a list completely. So it will create copy of that. So both will be same. Clear? Suppose if, as you are saying, if we do this one, so it will also create empty list for both.
Yeah.
No, not for this LST. I'm talking about LST underscore CP. This is the new list variable name.
Yeah, but it is copy of LST, right?
Mhm.
So where underscore LST. So that's why it have all the values as well.
Okay.
Now where underscore LST count. Okay.
Yeah.
Now count means whatever value you are giving inside it, it is going to tell you appearance of that.
Oh, I
How
see.
many time it is
Oh, okay.
available in your.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it.
So now what I will do is I will create a list where underscore LST, and in this I will say apple, banana, apple, banana, cherries, apple, banana, cherries, and dates. Okay. Now when I will run this one, now it will show me 3
Yeah.
because apple is appearing thrice. Apple is appearing thrice in my list.
Yeah.
Okay. In the
सर
same
अगर
way, sorry sir.
सर अगर पैरामीटर नहीं दिया, एप्पल नहीं दिया, अगर so it will give me the number of elements in the list.
No, it will give you error because parameter is required for that.
Oh, I see.
So without parameter, it will throw an error.
Okay.
Right,
So,
sir?
so
The
there
count
will.
is not exactly for the number of elements. It is for the number of occurrences.
Appearance, whatever number of times
Occurrence
that
of-
particular value is appearing, it is showing that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just,
Shalish, you were asking something.
just one question on that copy part, not on the count. I think count, I'm clear. So when we do that copy, right? So it is so these both now are independent copies, right? They are not.
Yes,
They are
both
not.
have different
Yeah.
ID value. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So one. I mean, yeah. Got you. I mean, this is not copy by reference. It is copy by value.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are two physical different.
Right. Yeah.
So it is ending with 5296. It is ending with 0816.
Yeah. Clear.
Now we have something called as extend. Extend says that if you can see, it is saying iterable. Iterable means list, tuple, or so a collection of something. It is called as iterable. So I have to pass multiple values. So I will say green apple. Then I will say pineapple. Then I will say custard apple. Then run it. Then you will find that all the values are. Now append also adds in end, and extend also adds in end. Extend is collection of values, whereas append is a single value.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear.
अपेक्षा मेरा दूध फ्रिज में रख दे यार, ग्लास में, कांच इसके स्टील के. Then you have index. Now again, for index, one is value and one is start and end.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. तो मैं क्या करूंगा कि मैं ये पुरानी वाली लिस्ट ले लेता हूँ. So it will be more helpful for us.
Yeah.
Because it has repeated values.
Hmm.
So very first one is if I want to say apple, so it will show me index position 0. Right? It will show me index position 0. Then I will say so I will say from 1 till length of my where underscore lst. So it will show me index 2. नहीं वो प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट नहीं लगा है ना, इसलिए वो प्रिंट नहीं होगा. So first one was on index position 0, second one was on index position 2. Now I will say from index position 3 till end. So it will show me index 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah.
that is what we have.
Yeah.
Okay. Then suppose I say index position 6. So it will give me error that apple is not in list. Okay. In this particular section, it is not there. So it is throwing an error that apple is not in list. From index position 6 to end, it is not there. So I'm getting an error. Apple is not in list. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes. Clear.
Saurabh sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have third thing, insert. First was append, second was extend, and third is insert. Now, in case of insert, it is saying that let me know on which position. So first time I will say On index position 0, please add mangoes. Okay, then I will print it. Then second time I will say again on index position, suppose I will say 5 and add custard apple. Okay, let us print it. So on index position 0, it has added mangoes, and here it has added value on index position 5 and shifted the fifth element to sixth position. And same right here, it has shifted 0 to first position.
Yeah.
Okay, now next one. So where underscore lst dot pop. So pop function says that delete the last element. Okay, delete the last element. Now, apart from that, what pop function is saying that either give me the index number, so I will delete that. Okay, so first is this is my list right now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my complete list. Better I will take another list. So now what will happen in end of this list? My last element is mango. Okay, so default one, it will delete mango. First time it will delete mango. Then second time I am saying index position 0. And after that I am saying index position, suppose 5. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will delete honey fruit. So in first go, it will delete mango. So there is no mango right here. See this one. Then there is no apple right here. And now there is no honey fruit right here. So there are two ways. One is default. When you are not giving any value, then it is deleting the last element. And otherwise, if you are giving the index number, then it will delete from that index number, index position. Remove. So remove will remove that, whatever value is there. Okay, so at few places it is removing by index number, at few places it is removing by value. So you have variety of things. Okay, so remove cherries, then whatever, like if you want to remove more, then you can do that.
One value at a time.
Yes, one value at a time, sir. It cannot be a list, or it cannot be.
No, the meaning that if that word is repeated, I mean it's there in the list. So if the cherries are appearing twice in the list, so it will remove all that words, right?
First appearance.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Only the first appearance.
Yes. 3, 4, 5.
I see. Okay.
So,
Oh, I see.
So in actual, we have total 5 times.
Yeah.
Then it converted into 4, then it converted into 3, then 2, 1, and then last May,
Yeah.
cherries is gone.
Right. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have where underscore lst dot reverse. So it is like as simple as like it will reverse your string.
Yeah.
So this is my list when I say reverse.
Yeah.
So I'm getting list in reverse order. So this one got reversed.
Yeah.
It reverses the string and stores in the same variable.
Exactly.
And if you
Physically
use
change हो जाता है sir. हाँ
हाँ,
sir.
or if you use a print and then var underscore, so it will only print in reverse order.
Sorry.
It will not, if you use this function print
Print.
and then var underscore list dot reverse, so this will only print in reverse but will not change the physical list.
No, it will.
Yeah. Mhm.
Function will work in the same way. Right?
Okay.
For this one right now it is giving me none because print type of print is none.
Okay.
So that's why it is returning none.
Acha.
So don't worry about it. Iska like it is reversing it. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, it is reversing it. There is no question about it. Only thing is like you cannot use print function right here actually. So that's why it is
Okay. Mhm. Mhm.
okay. And last one is sort. So sort means like you people know that particular thing. There is
Yeah.
you are sorting it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So it is already sorted one. Okay. So where underscore lst dot now here we have multiple this one out of which this is useful for us. So first time you are sorting it, you are printing it. Then uh, second time you are sorting it, but you are saying reverse false. So it will not apply the change. It will not apply the change. Although it will sort it, it will not. It will again resort it because you are saying reverse false. Okay, so let me show you that. So first time you have this particular list, that is apple, banana, cherries, dates, and so on. Okay. For convenience, I will change this one. Okay. First time क्या होगा? First time it will print the actual list, then it will sort it. Sort it means it will make it apple, banana, and this one. Then, okay, again I will do this. Okay, now again I'm trying to reverse it. I want to sort it, but it is saying reverse false. So it will not reverse it. It will keep it mango, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
And then at last, what we are doing is, where it is. Yeah. At last, we are reversing true. So it is allowing me to reverse it. Okay. Now understand this thing one more time. Ye jo hai, it has reversed it, and when you are reversing it, it is saying false. So it is keeping it as same. It is keeping it same. Whereas when you are saying reverse true, it is allowing to reverse it in the correct format.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So next Saturday we will take Saturday and Sunday. We will take remaining three types.
Okay.
That is tuple, set, and index, and dictionary. So these three we will take, and we will move ahead. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone, any doubts, any questions?
No. Clear.
Okay, fine. So thank you very much. I will share the file as well as I will share the video.
Sure.
And we go through it. Okay, fine. Good night. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.